Good morning and welcome to Coastal Living Down Under Australia. Today I'm going to show you the different kinds of waxes that I use in my candles. I use different candle wax when I'm using my molds, such as this, and containers. We're going to do some fun Christmas containers today in another video. We're going to have little Santa here, and then we're going to do some car candles without wicks that you just leave in your car like this rather than an air freshener. And then I've got a beautiful double candle which I'm going to use some of these wicks, okay, which add a little crackle when they burn. But first we're going to talk about what wax do you use with what. So to use with the silicone molds, what we need to use is a 416, which is a soy melt, or for art making. You also use these if you're going to do melts for your oil burners, which we've done. So basically these bags, when you buy them, most of the places that you buy them from will tell you what your melt temperature is, what your pour temperature should be, and as well as what the maximum fragrance oil load should be. For this ones that I have is 8 to 10%, which is more than enough for these molds to put out a wonderful smell and fragrance. If you are doing containers, such as Lovely Santa over here, what you need is one like a Golden Wax 464, which I've got here. This is a container soy blend. If you are using, or you've only got this and you don't want to have to go and buy a different one, you can actually purchase a container maker as well, which will allow it to stick to the sides of your containers. This also does the same thing, tells you what the melt temperatures are, recommended pour temperatures, and generally speaking, again, it's about 8 to 10% fragrance load. Okay, so we're going to move on in our next video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the videos. We're going to move on to how to prep your containers. We've already prepped these ones here, as we showed earlier, where we put the wick through. We're going to prep our containers and get our wicks ready. Okay, we'll see you then. Bye.